Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Grand Cherokee headlight. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement headlight assembly. Working in a well-lit area is crucial for safety and visibility. This process is straightforward, but attention to detail ensures a proper installation. Let's get started with the initial steps. The first major step involves carefully removing the front bumper cover. You'll need to locate and remove several plastic clips and bolts that secure it. Once these fasteners are out, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle. Remember to disconnect any wiring for fog lights or sensors before completely detaching the bumper. Take your time to prevent any scratches or damage to the paint. With the bumper removed, you now have clear access to the headlight assembly. There are usually 3 or 4 bolts holding it in place. Remove these. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old headlight unit. Now, you can install your new headlight assembly. Make sure it seats properly and all electrical connections are firmly reattached before bolting it down. Now it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully reattach the front bumper cover, making sure all the clips and bolts are securely fastened. Before you hit the road, always test your new headlight to ensure it's working correctly and properly aligned. This final check is important for safety. For more helpful tips and great deals, including a link for the Owala water bottle, check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.